Hello guys, welcome back. In today's video I'm gonna show you how to join a Telegram group. So it's pretty simple. Let's get started. First of all, you guys have to open up Telegram app on your mobile phone. So after opening up Telegram app on your mobile phone, if someone sent you group invitation link, you guys have to just open up that link. Suppose that I want to select that link. I want to join the group by tapping on the link. So you guys have to just tap on that link. It will redirect you to direct group. So you guys have to just tap on join button. So after tapping on join, in this way you guys can be able to join the group by tapping on link. If you want to join a public group, then you guys have to just simply tap on top right corner of search bar, and here you guys have to just tap the name of the group which you want to join. For example, I want to join this public group. You guys have to just search that group and you guys have to just tap on that group, and here you guys can be able to see the join button and you guys have to just tap on it, and in this way you guys can be able to join any of the group in Telegram. So that's all for today guys. Hope you would like it. Do like, share, subscribe. Thank you so much. Bye.